Hello and welcome to Wreaths Galore. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. And any other participants will be listed in the description box. Okay, here is a wreath that I'm going to be using for my DIY. I already removed it had pumpkins on it and some ribbon, and I just removed that, left the leaves and the little white flowers. And I'm going to be adding these decoupaged Easter eggs. It was just a white egg that I ordered from Amazon, and then I just used this really pretty paper. Oh, I'm also going to be using styrofoam eggs. And here is the paper that I purchased from Amazon that I'm going to be decoupaging to the white eggs. It's very pretty, pastel colors and pink and yellow and blue, and it's textured paper, which is really nice. That's what I was wanting to give the wreath a very special Eastery look. And I'm also going to be using some mesh ribbon that has Easter eggs on it. So here's some of the supplies I'll be using. Now here's a bow that I'll be recreating and showing you how I made. I'll be making 4 of those. This was a very simple and easy DIY, as you will see. Now here is some really pretty pink textured paper along with the mesh with the Easter eggs on it. I just lay the paper on top of it and I start folding it in an accordion fold, back and forth. Yeah, try to hold it together without them slipping. So just like so. Then I pinch it in the middle. And then I have this little thin ribbon that I'm going to tie in the middle to hold it all together. So here's what the bows look like. And I just spread out the bow. And it'll be ready to add to the wreath. Okay, next I'm going to show you how I decoupage the Easter eggs. So I just take one of these plastic Easter eggs and I cut the textured paper into strips and I use Mod Podge. Very simple. Now I add the Mod Podge to a small bowl and I add just a tiny bit of water. And then stir it. This is just so it'll apply to the egg a lot easier and not be so thick. I just lay the paper across the egg. Well, first I brush on the Mod Podge. And as you can see, I'm just laying the paper across the whole length of the egg. And it doesn't take much Mod Podge at all. And then I just add more. You want to make sure the egg is completely covered with the glue so it'll stick. So I take another strip and put it diagonally across the other way. And just kind of press it a little bit and add more Mod Podge. And then I finish it off and allow it to dry. So here is 2 eggs already done. So there's the purple one. And a green one. Okay, now all the eggs have had a chance to dry, and I'm going to place the bows first. And then I'll be taking some hot glue and attaching the bows. So I like the way this looks so far. What do you all think? Okay, now with the eggs, I'm just going to strategically place where I think they would look best. So there's all the larger decoupaged eggs, and then I'll be adding the smaller styrofoam eggs next. So I think that's looking pretty good so far. Now I will be using hot glue to secure them to the wreath. Okay, and I also added this little wooden rabbit, so I hot glued it to the wreath as well. So here is what the finished wreath looks like. Isn't it cute? I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I haven't done too many DIY wreaths. As a matter of fact, I think this is the only second one I've ever done. So not too bad. And I've hung it on the wall and added a green mesh ribbon to hang it from. And then put it on this black iron wall embellishment that I keep in my kitchen. So here's the close-up. And there's the little rabbit. I purchased him at the Dollar General. Well, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist. I'm sure there's going to be some great ideas on how to create a spring wreath. And I want to thank Jennifer at home and Anna from the Grace Life DIY for hosting this collaboration. Be sure to give a comment and a like. Bye-bye for now.